Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new video and dear audience. Today I have something excited to share with you guys. That's why I'm deeply delighted for being a part with you on today's video. So, dear audience, in this morning you are most welcome with my heart as well as for my peace. So, dear audience, today in this video just I'm going to discuss exactly how can we overcome from our hesitation. So, what kind of tasks we need to do for be more fluent and how what kind of task we should do for overcome from our challenges, right? So, dear audience, before moving on to today's topic, just let me introduce you myself. That this is Shan Roy, dear audience, and now you are watching this video from my page, which is known as Shan's English Academy, and here I'll have to have English related video for being an English fluent speaker as well as for my practicing purpose. So, dear audience, our today's topic is that how we can overcome from our hesitation, what kind of tasks, what kind of tips and technique we need to follow for being a fluent and for overcome from our hesitation, right? So, প্রিয় দর্শক শ্রোতা, এই মুহূর্তে আমি শাইন ভাই আছি আপনাদের সাথে এবং আজকের এই ভিডিওতে আপনাদের সকলকে স্বাগতম। এবং আজকের এই ভিডিওতে মূলত আমরা আলোচনা করব কিভাবে আমরা আমাদের যে হেজিটেশন বা দ্বিধাদ্বন্দ্ব রয়েছে ইংলিশ শেখার ক্ষেত্রে, এটা থেকে আমরা মূলত কিভাবে পরিত্রাণ পেতে পারি। ঠিক আছে? সো আমি কয়েকটি কারণ আলোচনা করব বা হচ্ছে উপায় আলোচনা করব যেখান থেকে মূলত আমরা আমাদের যে হেজিটেশন সেখান থেকে আমরা পরিত্রাণ পেতে পারি। So number one, just practice regularly. There is no alternative way of practicing regularly for everyone for being an English fluent speaker, right? And number two is that practice when you are practicing. Just try to capture your practicing moment and just after capturing your practicing moment, just yourself that where you have made a mistake and just correct it. And number three, join with the foreigner for your practicing purpose. And number four, start with simple sentences, not with the hardest sentences, right? অর্থাৎ আপনাকে অবশ্যই শুরু থেকে শুরু করতে হবে ছোট্ট ছোট্ট সেন্টেন্স দিয়ে। And number five, make a positive mindset. Positive mindset is very effective, right? And number six is that join a English conversation group where or here you can just practice your English every single day for being a fluent speaker along with for overcome from your hesitation. So dear audience, I believe with my heart that if you just can follow this kind of technique, or if you can fulfill or complete this kind of tasks or overcome from your hesitation, then I'm pretty much sure that you will definitely overcome from your hesitation. So dear audience, number three, and thank you for being with me on today's video from first to last, and I'm really grateful to you all. So number today, and I will come back with another new video. Till then, stay safe,